Hello guys, I'm David from Super Kilometer Filter. I want to show you and test with you our odometer blocker for Bmw X5 F15. I'll show you all the details from installation to test drive. So, as we know, the blocker should be installed in the plug of the main cable connected behind the speedometer. Let's start by removing the outer plastic cover. It is attached with clips and you can easily remove it by hand. Then the speedometer itself. Here we will need our special tool. We insert it into the hole above and easily pull out the elastic metal clips. After that, the speedometer is free from the clamps and we can pull it out as we get to the main cable. Let's pull out the cable and connect it exactly like this. One side of our blocker to the main cable and the other to the speedometer plug. Now let's return everything to the way it was and go to the test drive. You can activate and deactivate the blocker both from the steering wheel buttons, press the BC button for 10 seconds, and through the application, which you can download to any smartphone. The blocker has 5 modes. Regarding the first mode, note that Vehicle till 2019, and without update, and the live cockpit. Speed display works, and the mileage counting is stopped. Counting miles approx 0 to 1%. Works only with models until 2019 without update and the live cockpit. Vehicle from 2019 or with update and the live cockpit. Counts after approx. 3 kilometers of driving. Counts 100%. To change the mode, switch off the car. The speedometer should be off. Choose the right mode for your car. The indicator. Turn light X1 flashes only inside the vehicle. Mode 2, no speed, and the mileage counting is stopped for all vehicles. The indicator, turn light X2 flashes only inside the vehicle. Mode 3, speed display works and the miles count is reduced to 30%. The indicator, turn light X3 flashes. Mode 4, speed display works and the miles count is reduced to 40%. The indicator, turn light X4 flashes. And Mode 5. The kilometers are counted at 100%. The module is deactivated, the speedometer and the odometer work as usual. Do you see? We drive a car and the odometer does not count any kilometers. Now I will deactivate the blocker and you will see how the odometer will start counting the mileage instantly. Isn't it cool? To purchase, contact us at superkilometerfilter.com.